Welcome to Ask Me Asha YouTube channel. Myself is Vikram, founder of AskMeAsha.com. Today I will show you how to create a perfect Google AdSense account, in step-by-step. To create Google AdSense account, go to AdSense webpage, click on the Sign Up button to create an account, and then add your website URL address, and add your email ID. To create an account you must provide these information must and should. Let me add information. And select your country or region you are lived. I am from India, I can select India. Select your nation you are lived. Add your address for payment details. Provide your accurate details because on first payment, Google AdSense team will be sent one letter with a PIN code will be sent to your address. After completion of providing address detail, you will get the one script code that you must add the code on your header tag. It will check the verification of your website authorities from AdSense team. Then you will complete the account. You wait for 2 weeks, while the team will be reviewed your website.